Hey J Peeps, it's me, Giovanni, and I'm here with my mommy. She's the camera person today, because we are making
Dun 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 dun. Vietnamese rice paper spring rolls. Okay, so tell them what we have here today, Giovanni.
So today we have green onions.
Start from there. What is that? Cilantro.
Cilantro, green onion, carrots, raw jalapenos, spicy sauteed eggs.
Here's a bite of mine that I'm still eating right now.
I don't remember what that one is. What is it?
Bean sprouts.
Bean sprouts, raw onion, yellow bell pepper. I don't remember what that is.
Vermicelli noodles.
Lettuce. Peanut butter sauce and
Sweet spicy chili sauce.
delicious.
Yum.
Chili garlic sauce.
And then water for our rice papers.
Water. Okay.
Okay, so show them how to do
they
it.
can see me. They can't. Okay. So today, this one's a little bit weird because kind of like that, but it's still good. So what you have to do is put it in the water and hold it under there for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it feels so weird. You think that's good?
One more second.
1 more second?
Go under again.
How about we do it 5 more? 1, 2.
No, I think that's good. That should be good.
You sure? Okay. You're supposed to eat this. So you put it on here. And you get your lettuce, break it up, crinkle it up a bit, crack it as much as you can. So it's like kind of foldable. You set it down on here. Okay. And you can put
Cilantro.
Green onion.
Yep.
Carrot, you can put carrot in there, but I really don't like carrot.
Okay. Do you have the guts to do jalapenos?
Yes! Boom, bada, boom. Boom.
Ooh.
Oh, one fell. Okay. So, now I'm going to put the delicious spicy egg, handmade by my mom,
Dun, dun, dun.
the camera person.
Bean sprouts?
Bean
Are you
sprouts?
doing bean
Oh, yeah,
sprouts?
bean sprouts. Dun, 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 delicious. Yeah. I'm just going to put onions.
Okay.
And then, I'm not going to put green pepper because green pepper is not very good. And
It's yellow peppers.
yellow peppers. And then, what are these?
Vermicelli noodles.
Vermicelli noodles. Delicious. Let's do this. So, what you gotta do is lift it up.
You gotta start on the other side.
Other side. Oh, yeah. Huh.
Start on the side that's near you.
So, I'm gonna move this over a bit.
Yep.
Lift it up. Uh-oh.
You're good.
Roll it. Get the sides in.
And don't be afraid of it, right?
Yeah, don't be afraid of ripping it a little bit because you're just going to eat it anyway.
Keep rolling, keep rolling. Let's see.
Good
Good job.
It looks like a cocoon of lettuce. Okay, so.
You gonna dip it in some of the sauce?
We're going to see my personal thoughts. We're going to dip it in this.
Sweet chili sauce. It's this stuff right here.
Yes. Now you talk for me for the rest of the time.
Now he's gonna slowly put the lettuce wrap rice paper in his mouth, and he's gonna tell us if it's good. Giovanni, is it good? How good is it? Can we see the inside of what it looks like? Yum. Put some of the chili sauce on it and let's see what it looks like. Let's see. Hold on, let the camera focus. Hold on. There we go. Ooh.
Keep talking for me, please.
You have to tell me on a rank of 1 to 10, the best thing you've ever eaten. What is the best thing you've ever eaten? Lobster tail from Boston Lobster Feast? What?
I'm gonna make random sounds and you think.
No, what is the best thing you've ever eaten? What's your favorite meal?
Your spaghetti.
Oh, thanks. Is this better than my spaghetti?
No.
That's right, you better say no.
But me, my spaghetti's also really good.
Take it back.
Never!
Okay.
Anyway, guys. Peace. J Peeps. Bye, guys.
Bye.